In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger birthday gift with Paperform. By the end, you'll have an automated workflow that captures a person's birthday and sends them a digital gift right on their special day. Start by opening your browser and searching for Paperform. Click the official Paperform website, then log into your account. Once you're in, open the form you want to use or create a new one. Click the plus icon to add a new question, choose the date field, and label it birthday. Make this field required so you always have a date to work with. If there's a time option, decide when you want the gift to arrive. Many people choose morning or midday for better visibility. A quick tip here: keep the field simple and clearly labeled so respondents know exactly what to provide. Next, make sure your form collects a way to deliver the gift. Add either an email field or a phone field, depending on whether you plan to send an email or a text. You can include a brief description explaining that the contact details will only be used to send a birthday gift, which helps increase form completion rates and builds trust. Save your form to lock in the changes. Now, switch over to Zapier and log in. Click Create and choose Zap to start a new automation. For the trigger, select Paperform and choose New Form Submission. Connect your Paperform account if it's your first time, then pick the birthday form you just edited. Pull in a sample submission to make mapping easier, and confirm that you can see the birthday field and the email or phone field. Add the next step using Delay by Zapier and select Delay Until. Map this to the birthday field from Paperform so the Zap waits until the person's birthday. If you prefer a specific send time, append a time to the date or set your default time in the steps options. Be mindful of time zones and ensure your account is set to the correct one. If you collect only the date, Zapier will wait until that date arrives. After the delay, add your delivery action. Choose Gmail. Send email if you're emailing, or Twilio. Send SMS if you're texting. Map the recipient to the email or phone captured on the form. Write a friendly birthday message and paste your gift link or unique promo code into the message body. Keep it concise, personal, and clear about how to redeem the gift. Finally, run a test to make sure everything works as expected, then publish and turn on your Zap. That's it. Your birthday gift automation is ready to delight your customers right on time.